One of the coolest features that comes built in out of the box with HelpHub is AI generated instant answers. So to get started with these instant answers, I'm going to go to the HelpHub section of the dashboard, and I'm going to connect a help integration. You can see I already have an intercom integration set up, but if you didn't, you could create a new integration by clicking connect on one of these provider cards and enter the details and then click connect. And then from here, it'll take you into the widgets section, and you're going to want to make sure that you have HelpHub enabled. Then click next, and then let's click explore instant answers. And it's going to take us into the editor where I can show you how to create some instant answers. So here we have the instant answers section of HelpHub at the top here, and we got a couple options. So you can either create a Q&A yourself or have an AI try to generate question and answer pairs with you. So let's start simple with just creating a question and answer ourselves. So if I click create new Q&A, this dialog pops up and I can enter in a question, and then I can either write the answer myself, or I can actually click this little lightning bolt and the AI will try to generate the answer for me. So I click that. Wait a sec, you can see I get a little answer and it looks pretty good. Then I can also click this generate with AI button. So if I click this, we'll generate up to 5 question and answer pairs at a time. So here it looks like it generated 4 question and answers. And what's great about this is that you can go through and vet the individual questions and answers before they get shown to your users. So a lot of times with these AI question and answer systems, they can generate the wrong answer confidently. But by vetting the answers before they get shown to your users, you make sure that your users don't go down the wrong path. And these answers show up in HelpHub if a user types the question or some text that resembles the question in, so they can get quick help without having to read an entire help article. But yeah, let's try to go through some of these answers. So this question and answer, this question looks a little long, but let's leave it in there for now. So this is kind of the flow. You kind of go through one at a time, just make sure these look good. This one looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And this one looks pretty good. But yeah, you could click generate more to generate more, or you could create more yourself with create a new Q&A. But what's really nice about this generate more approach is that you can probably generate hundreds of accurate questions and answers in a single afternoon that'll help your users.